Hi guys, see you again in the Focus Android YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss how to delete call history on the WhatsApp application on Android. The first step is to open the WhatsApp application. Then we go to the calls in the bottom right corner. Here you will see the call or video call history on your WhatsApp application. Okay, so here you can delete one by one or all at once. You can press and hold on one of them. A trash symbol will appear in the top right corner to delete. Next, to delete everything at once, you can press the three dot symbol in the top right corner. Then we can choose clear call log. Then press OK to delete all existing history. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.